everyone. Today, we are going to be making a firefly bracelet because I gave you guys a double firefly. So let's get into this. For this bracelet, we're going to need one loom. I'm using this one from the bracelet bouquet kit, super good kit. I would recommend getting. And we are going to need a hook. Then I gave you the band count in my description, so I will put that in again. So, and then just your color selection of bands. So, let's get into this. We are going to start off by making sure the arrow is pointing away from you. You can do this on a original loom too. I'm just using the newer loom, but I have another one in my craft closet. So we have, make sure your arrow, either with a 1 or just your arrow, is pointing away from you. If you're using one of the newer looms, there's bands. You also want to make sure that's closest to you. So, let's start laying bands. It's similar to with the triple single. We start off with just laying our outers, but I am going to show you. So you bring one out, and then we go up, and then we keep going. So I'm gonna go up. I think with my posting schedule, I will try to post 2 videos over the weekend because school and yeah. But I will see what can happen. So, yeah. So, my guess, if you have gotten here, we will want to bring a new band up to here. So it looks like this. Okay. And now we are going to go back down, and we are going to loom our middle. We'll place our bands for the middle. For me, I'm using these pinks, but you can use a different color. So we're going to take a band, lift it out, so it should look like this. And we are going to go again, and we are going to do this down our loom. So yeah, sorry for the different look and face today. I just did this. I went to a festival earlier. So yeah, this is what it so far looks like today. I've had this on for 3 hours, 4, 5, I don't know. So yeah, if you've gotten right here, we are going to lift our new band up to here. I always like to showcase to you guys the end, because for me, it's always the most confusing part. Okay. And make sure they don't like twist around each other. But yeah. Slash what my band just did. So yeah, and then what we did with these first row bands, we are going to repeat that on the next side. But if you need a refresher, we're going to bring a band outwards, and then we're going to go up our loom, just like so. This is probably one of my favorite bracelets to do on one loom, if not my favorite bracelet. But there's always others. I was trying to do a very complicated design that as soon as they said, like, this is the hardest design for tutorials, I'm far up, but I'm not that far up. So, yeah. Sorry if I ever make random noises while looming, that's just me. So, now that we have gotten up to here, we're gonna put a band and place it up here. And now, if you guys should know a little something about looming. If not, hi. We always need cap bands for our bracelets or else they will fall apart. So we're gonna add a cap band. This is how I add my cap bands personally. So you make it into an 8, but make sure one's on your finger. So take it, put it on your finger, pull it over so it looks like this, put it on. So make sure it's overlapped like this. You're gonna put it on the top of your Eve. If I can get mine on, I'm sure you guys are a little better. So now it should look like that. You should have your thick little cap band in there. Okay, and now we're gonna the part that reminds me of fireflies with my original colors. It would make more sense. So we are gonna start off. For me today, I'm gonna be using red, but as I said, you can use any other. So we are not gonna start on this row, but we are gonna start on this row, and are gonna make little arrows pointing towards the arrow with a 1 on it or your arrow. So for you, it will probably look like this. And then we are gonna do this down the loom as so. Bella Ciao, Bella. I don't know how I got Bella Ciao stuck in my head from that. Okay. So, yeah. Just like to hear about your guys' day. How's your day today? Just tell it to me through the screen. I'm not sure why some comments aren't allowed. My comment thing was weird with my last video. So yeah, when I recorded on my PS, nothing bad happened. And I guess I face revealed. Look at that. Accidental face reveal. Well, I mean, it was on purpose, but yeah. Thank you, my 152 subscribers. I know my posting schedule has been weird. I took a break from YouTube because I really was like, oh, I'm tired and lazy. But yeah. I hope everybody's having a good day. If not, thanks for joining in to make yourself feel better. I always appreciate that because I watch Rainbow Loom videos when I'm depressed. Yeah. So this is what our loom should look like so far. We're gonna go up a couple more and yeah. And if you're here, you can just sort of sit and chillax while you're here. If not, go ahead, skip forward. I don't really care. But yeah. My hair's a mess today. I don't really prepare for filming. I don't have scripts either. So, we are gonna keep doing this. If you're stuck, because it's my zone, I can do whatever I want. Yeah. If I have not stated that, this is my design. And yeah. So if you are here, we are going to add an arrow with these two. So if you guys are confused, go pop, and then pop. So now we are going to get into looming. So you're going to turn your loom around to where it should not have an arrow, should have an arrow with a 2 or a hook. Now let's get into looming. Slash one of my favorite parts. So you're going to start off by pulling your cap band back, hooking the band that's on top, and just pulling it over. Like so. So we are just gonna do this for our way down. I always like making videos. I'm not sure why I stopped. It's probably because I'm not the biggest gamer in the world. I mean, I like the game. Don't get me wrong about that, but gaming's not always my thing. So yeah. This is just my little way of doing things. And if you get stuck here, we are gonna pull our bands over and yeah, to the sides. Yeah. Yet again, I'm using the bracelet bouquet kit. So yeah. Okay, and we are going to go back down to our cap band, go underneath it, and pull the newest layer, which for you should be your middle, but if not, it really doesn't matter the order it's put into. It just matters that it's all loomed correctly. And you guys are gonna go beneath the arrows. Don't go around them. That will make your bracelet fall apart. So you're gonna pull your arrows back. So yeah. If Rainbow Loom ever watches my videos, hi Rainbow Loom, I'm the biggest fan ever. I am such a big fan. Yeah. I've watched all of your short form videos. I accomplished this last night. Okay, so if you're stuck here, you're just gonna pull it over, and boom. And we're gonna go back down, pull out a new one. It should be on the other side, and we're just gonna repeat what we did on that first side. This is definitely one of my favorite bracelets, because if you are a big fidgeter like me, this is a really good bracelet to fidget with, because it's like, I've wanted to try candy. Some of you should know about candy. If not, you should really check out candy. Those people are super talented. So yeah, if you're a candy kid, heck yeah. Okay, and if you guys get stuck again, remember we are going to hook our band up and bring it like this. Okay, we should be done looming. Now let's finish off this bracelet. Oh, look, this one is a shorter tutorial. If you guys don't know what I'm pointing at, this is my record time up here. So yeah, we're going to yet again go through all of our bracelets. This is at the end. There should not be a cap band here. We're going to go all our bracelets. We're going to go through all our rubber bands, and we are going to grab a band, hook it, bring it back through, and make sure you grab no other bands. So it should look like this. Then we are just going to pull this off our loom. And question for you, Rainbow Loom, if you are watching this, what do you do with your bracelets after you make them? Because I personally wear them, but like for tutorials. Okay, this is what it should look like, nice and pulled off. And now let's finish this up. Yeah, like what do you do with them? Do you throw them away, give them away? So you're gonna put this on your hook, hook it through, then just do this to the correct height, or you can do this how you normally would finish off bracelets. This is just my personal favorite way of doing it. I did like the color combination I did today. If you are a new rainbow loomer, good job making it through this tutorial somehow. I was a new rainbow loomer. I could never. Sorry. We are just gonna do this through our way down. Don't do what I'm doing, please. You could choke. I'm just doing this until I can. If you're seeing this on the release day, good job. Very much so, good job. So, yeah. So I'm gonna add one more piece to my extension. Okay, so now pull it out, make sure you have both bands. I always do this. Grab your C or G clip and just hook this on. So, yeah, this is how to make a firefly on one loom. Until next time, loomers, goodbye.